Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your Claude code with custom skills. Now, if you write slash here, for example, as you can see, you have multiple what we call skills. Claude has a lot, but these are big 10. But there is one that isn't, which is the slash summarize code. This is a custom. If you try to do the slash and you don't find it, that's why. And today we're going to show you how to get it. Well, it's very simple. Let's exit this. And thankfully, Claude Anthropic gave us documentation. As you can see, this is the documentation. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, you have to create the skill directory. So by default, it doesn't exist. So just copy this command and go back here and write it here. If you press, it will create. We have skills, and the explain code section, which is this, is the name of the skill. All right. So it can be whatever. Let's say, for example, dog mode, and we created dog mode. All right. Now that we have the directory, now we need to create the actual skill. Now, once you have the directory, every directory needs a skill.mt file. As you can see here, write a skill.mt. It explains it here, so we just have to follow it. So let's go, for example, since I'm using Windows, it's a notepad. Before that, let's get into the file first. And as you can see, we got into the directory, the dog mode directory, and we just go notepad skill.nt. Of course, this is Windows. If you're using Linux or something, it's Dutch. We do that. As you can see, it automatically opens a notepad. It tells us it doesn't exist. So do you want to create it? As you can see, I had it there prepared. So let's go yes. Now we have a skill.mt and we can do whatever we want. If we go back into the documentation, as you can see, this is the schema of the skill.mt. You have to give it a name, a description, and what it actually does. So let's copy this. We go back here. We just paste it here. Let's explain the dog modes. Let's change a bit the description. I'm gonna go back and leave the rest. I'm not gonna use the skill. I just want to show you guys. Of course, save this and you are done. See, super simple. So go back to where you want to launch Claude Code from. Yes, proceed. And if we write slash, as you can see, we have dog mode added. That's how you can add skills. Now you can let the model know when to use it because it has description. It will find the skill and stuff. Or you can call directly with a slash. But yeah, that about does it. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.